Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Audio Technica AT LP60X is not turning on, it is usually due to the power issues, adapter related problems or internal faults. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply check the power adapter. Just make sure that it is firmly unplugged into both the turntable and the wall outlet. You can try a different power socket to rule out the outlet issues. If possible, simply test with another compatible adapter. Now you need to take a look at the power cable closely. Check if any of the damage or loose connection at the port. Reconnect it properly and ensure that it is not partially plugged in. A loose connection can also stop the vehicle from powering on. Afterwards, you need to remember that this turntable has an automatic mechanism. So you can try pressing the start button and ensure that the tone arm is positioned correctly. Sometimes it may seem off when it is usually waiting for the input. Now you can unplug the unit for about 1 minute and then plug it back in, and then you can try again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.